No one ever has enough kitchen storage or counter space. Literally no one. So, if you really feel the stress of figuring out how to make everything work, so we have rounded up few ideas of all time to help you make the most of the space you do have. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start today's video. Fruit basket. Fruit basket take lots of space in our countertop. So let's hang them. Here to hang fruits I use my old strainer. And to hang strainer I simply use this chain that we usually get from nursery to hang our planter. Just hang as we hang our planters. I simply use this curtain rod to hang this strainer. Now lots of free space in counters. My freezer not looking tidy because I kept frozen food in this packet itself. So thought to transfer it in airtight glass container. Keeping ice cream in a tray so that there will be no mess in the freezer. Use the tops of your cabinets. The top of your cabinet offer prime real estate for the storage. Cover the cabinet top with some liners or mat. Here I use my old dining table mat. I am using this big container to keep all the things that I may not be using in my daily day-to-day work. You can stash special occasion serving platters and even pantry supplies that you don't need just yet. In this way, you will get lots of space in your cabinet tops. In our house, the top of the fridge used to store all sorts of stuff. Sadly, it often looks messy or wasteful, but a systematic selection of your most used pantry ingredients will look nice and it will make things easy to grab in a pinch. If you really have a less space in your kitchen, then we can use the cabinet door to store chips. So, to save space, we can use paper clips or cloth pins to store chips. I use double-sided tape to stick cloth clips. By using this method, we can save a lots of space in our countertop and in our cabinets. Use adhesive hook on the inside of a cabinet door for measuring spoon storage system that takes up practically zero space. If you have a storage problem, you can use the fridge side also as a storage. Use any basket. Stick strong magnet with the help of glue and stick into the side of the fridge and use it to store anything. But use strong magnet. If want, buy fridge magnet organizer. You will get 6 organizers together. We always struggle to dry our sponge. We can use this type of small basket to hold sponges. This type of basket you will get from your local market just for 10 to 20 rupees. Don't let your spoons lying in the drawer like this. Use liner and then use divider or this type of basket to hold all your spoons, strainers, etc. It will be more functional and organized. We always struggle to keep water bottles. Lying water like this will make bottles dusty and oily. Better if we keep all water bottles in this type of container with lid. Buy container according to the size of the cabinet. This type of organizing will keep our less used water bottles safe from dust, oil and insects. For daily use bottles, use magazine rack to store bottles anywhere. If want, turn the rack so its tallest side is lying down the place on your counter or inside the cabinet to keep them organized or out of your ways. And even you can hang with the help of adhesive hook. More free space on countertop, easy to grab and easy to use. If you don't have a container or magazine holder, simply use this type of round basket to keep all your daily use bottles. Look good and functional. Take advantage of vertical space. I am not saying to fill every inch with hooks, but definitely take advantage of that unused storage spaces. Hang whatever you can hang. We usually use this type of basket to keep all our extra packets. But to keep our extra packets free from the dust and to become oily, we can use this type of a fridge container which have 3 small containers inside. Now it can be easy to synchronize all the packets, all the same items in each box because it has a lid, so all the packets will be free from dust, insects and getting oily. And visually also it look good. We usually keep paper rolls on the countertop. But to keep it safe from dust and insects, we can use container with the lid. Now paper roll will be more safe to use. If you have any bamboo basket or bamboo steamer, we can use it to store garlic and onions. Due to bamboo well ventilated, they are the perfect environment for storing onions and garlic. Now my last tip. If you want to use above the microwave space, but we have to bring the things down all the time whenever we use the microwave. One thing we can do is to use this type of stackable rack and organize whatever we want. Here I am organizing my daily use cups. If we want, we can organize all our daily use spices. Now there is enough gap between the microwave and the rack. And no need to bring things down while using microwave. That's it for today guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more organization videos, and don't forget to hit bell to get notification. Bye bye.